you in no contact and you want to get contact with your SP or your ex? Are they ghosting you? Are they ignoring you? Or just acting real dumb? Then you know what? That's what we're about to talk about. What's up, you guys? Welcome back. My name is Krisha. If you don't know, I am your manifestation coach. Yeah, yours. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Ring the bell so that you will get notified when I upload a video. Want them eating out the palm of your hand? Click the link in the description box below and sign up for one-on-one coaching with me right now. There is no wait. Recently, you may have been blocked, or you are in no contact, or all of a sudden they just start switching up and acting real different, real dumb, ignoring you and doing all of this stuff. So now the worst thing to do is to contact them. What you're doing is boosting their ego and you making things worse. You're not even giving them a time to miss you or even wonder about you, because you constantly calling them and contacting them. And that right there, that's weak energy. And baby, you shouldn't even have time for none of that, because that right there, moving like that, is giving, I'm not worthy. It's giving, I'm going to chase you and you can sit back and be in your soft feminine energy. That's what it's giving to your SP, is that you are the chaser and all they can do is sit there and just continue to ignore you. Whatever you think about, they are going to think it and they are going to feel it. Meaning your SP or your ex is going to think it and they're going to feel it. If you constantly thinking that they are ignoring you and that they don't care about you, and then you feeling like you are not important, you're sending that signal to the universe that you are not important. And this is why they are ignoring you or suddenly ghosting you or blocking you or, in no contact with you. Whatever thoughts you are thinking, the universe thinks that you like that. And so it's going to keep on giving you more of that energy. You got to be thinking the thoughts that you want. You have to be thinking like, I'm a boss. You have to be thinking like, I'm a boss. They are just an extra. They are a fucking puppet. Like we always say, they are a fucking puppet. And the reason why I say that is not to act arrogant or nothing like that, but in your own world, in your movie, you are creating. So you got to put yourself up here on the pedestal and take their ass off the pedestal, period. Thinking thoughts that will get you what you want. Thinking like, you know what? I am the God of my reality. And I'm not chasing nobody. I'm going to go within, because whenever you go within, so is without. So going within is the only way you're going to change them. But you keep playing around with the 3D. Because you keep on trying to post shit on social media on your story to see if they're going to watch it. Be for real. Let's be for real. You wasn't doing all that in the beginning. You was just being in your own energy, being you, and they was pursuing you. But all of a sudden, maybe y'all slept together or whatever the case, and now you feel like, damn, I gave it up to him. And, it's just all your thoughts. Because even, if you sleep with somebody on the first night, there's wife people who they slept with on the first night. None of that matters. Everything is just in your head. Okay? Everything in your head. So now you're going to need to really literally go back, revise everything, and start feeling like you are worthy. You are that bitch. Feeling like you are their favorite person. Period. What are we doing over here? Because this is the only and this is the only way you about to be manifesting shit. So if you in no contact, visualize them calling you. Visualize their number popping up on your screen, his number popping up on your screen, her number popping up on your screen. Okay? Visualize that, or visualize a text coming from them. And they ass telling you they miss you or they want to see you. Feel that. Feel it. The feeling is the secret. Check your feelings right now. What are you feeling? What are you feeling right now? Okay? Type in the comments, I'm feeling like a boss. Everybody type in the comments right now, I'm feeling like a boss. Because, baby, when you feeling like a boss, you give the orders. And they ass is just going to receive. See, I done helped 5 people already manifest a specific person. 5 success stories. You know what? Because we're not playing over here. If you want my help, then go ahead and click the link in the description box below and sign up for one-on-one coaching with me right now. There is no wait. The year is almost up, and it's time for you to get what you want. Flatline the negative thoughts or keep thinking them. Either way, it's your choice. Stop half-assing the game and get what you really want. Period. Everybody move within you. Joseph Murphy used to always say that your mind is a garden and your negative thoughts is just weeds growing up in your garden. Your mind is a garden and your negative thoughts are weeds growing in your garden. This is how you're going to get your SP back. This is how you're going to get in contact with their ass. Because, like, why would they not want to talk to you, right? Why wouldn't they want to talk to you? Who don't want to talk to the boss? Who don't want to talk to the star? If they are constantly ignoring you and ghosting you, I got you, boo. I'm going to help you. Because we about to change all of that. Because, like I said, they don't have a choice. They don't have a choice. Only choice they got is the one that you give on them. But we finna give them the only choice is to worship the ground you walk on. Period. Manifesting is easy. It's very easy. This shit is easy. I do it all the time, and I help people do it all the time. Flatline the negative thoughts or keep thinking them. Either way, it's your choice. Period.